happy to win the match, and the next step is qualification playoff.
Estoy muy contento, no solo por ganar el partido, sino por cómo lo hemos ganado, y sí que es verdad que es un paso importante para clasificarnos para los playoffs.
I'm happy because we have won the game, but also because the way we have won the game. I think it's also a huge step forward in terms of getting qualified for the playoffs.
De los 3 partidos que nos quedan, 2 son en casa.
For the 3 remaining matches, 2 are at home.
Y creo que dependiendo de si somos capaces de ganar el primer partido que tenemos en casa, iremos a Bengaluru con opciones de poder incluso pelear por el primer puesto.
So depending if we are able to get the victory in the next game at home, we will see at Bengaluru if we have chances of getting into the top of the table.
The coach should set his standards very high, and that's what exactly Lobera is doing. And he is doing it with the knowledge that his team is capable of doing it. Not because he doesn't have a team. He has a team that who can even go to the extent of clinching the trophy. Right. So he's setting the goals for his team. And that is very, very important for a coach to do.